Ever wondered how engineers fix high-voltage cables safely? Before any repair, they wear full protective gear, insulated gloves, face shields, and grounding equipment. Once the line is isolated, switching operations begin carefully to discharge any residual voltage. A single mistake here could cause an arc flash reaching temperatures hotter than the sun. That's why every step is done with precision and respect for the power of electricity. Now comes the switching process, carefully isolating and reconnecting circuits. Each lever pull and breaker close must be done in sequence. This is not just repair, it's controlled power management at a massive scale.